There's something in entrepreneurship I call the oh fuck moment, and it's that little piece that makes the good entrepreneurs make it work. I truly believe every single entrepreneur needs to get that oh fuck moment to really start to go. And look at the most successful people in the world. They have all had that oh fuck moment. Elon Musk, the dude almost went broke before becoming the richest man in the world. He said, oh fuck, I'm about to go broke, and he made Tesla work because he had no choice. Our students get it when they pay our programs are higher, and they're expensive for a reason. Our students are paying between $20,000 for $100,000 for the year of coaching. Whether that's worth it or not, that's up to you, right? I could give you the exact blueprint, hammer, nails, and the resources, but just because I give you everything you need doesn't mean you'll put together your dream house, right? Whether you take everything I give you and construct it, it's up to you. I could give you every single thing that's made me over $1 million of online sales by the time I'm 20 years old. That doesn't mean you'll make those sales though, right? So our students, they pay $20K to $100K per year for coaching because when they pay that, it gives them their oh fuck moment, right? They go, oh fuck, we actually just did that. I guess I'm actually doing this now and I have no way out. When you give someone no way out, and everything is on the line, they fight for their life. And when somebody's fighting for their life, guess how much more effort they're going to put into getting the result they need to survive? Exponentially more. It's literally science. We can't even work as hard as we want to unless it's life or death, right? It's been said in the gym, you can only go about 40% of what you could versus if you were in survival mode, no matter how much you try. So we get our students their oh fuck moment on the way in. And the only way back out is through success. And when there's no other option but success, guess where our students end up being? They end up successful. They go, oh fuck, I'm doing this. I spent $20K. I gotta be successful. And we help them every single step of the way because those are the types of people that we want to work with. The people who go all in on their dreams and aren't scared to fight for what they want. That's why we get results like no one else, right? My name's Spencer Williams, and I'll talk to you guys soon.